Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Infiniti Q50 LUXE rear-wheel drive that we have for sale. This one's a clean Carfax vehicle, serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. Who better to buy a pruned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got a pretty substantial revision on the inside and outside. They restyled the front and rear end on the outside. They restyled the interior. You have a new steering wheel design, new design on the shifter. You have this beautiful wood interior trim now available in the LUXE package. 7-speed automatic transmission. We have a dual display system. The top screen is for the clock and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to transmission shift points, steering effort, throttle sensitivity. You can also access the drive mode selector here. You can personalize it. We have 27,386 miles at the time of making this video. A nice leather-up steering wheel. You also have a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back to the left, you push up to upshift, back to downshift. It'll give you rev match downshift for a sportier stand and feel. Automatic dimming mirror with universal garage door opener. We also have a moonroof. The Q50 is a compact sport luxury sedan. It's built on the advanced front midship platform, also shared with the 370Z sports car. We have lots of sports car DNA baked into the Q50, so even though it is a luxury sedan with its rear-wheel drive based platform, powerful twin turbo 300 horsepower V6, 7-speed automatic transmission, this is a very fun car to drive, especially when the roads start to get curvy. Beautiful, sleek design. Nothing really looks as good as a coupe or sedan. I know crossover SUVs are kind of all the rage these days, but they are kind of like jelly beans or eggs on wheels. They try to make them look good, and some of them look pretty good, but like I said, you really can't get the sleekness of a coupe or sedan of a crossover SUV, and the Q50 is a gorgeous example of a nice sport luxury sedan. The reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so it's like a mid-engine vehicle for as perfect 50-50 weight distribution as possible, improving the handling and balance of the vehicle. We have a VR30 twin turbo V6 pumping at 300 horsepower, a lot of ways more efficient, more usable power than the 3.7 liter V6 it replaces. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon and have a wonderful day.